Okay, here's the W5W bulb, and there's the lamp itself. It has these two clips on the side. I just dragged it out with a screwdriver gently because it's plastic. Okay, and let's remove it and put an LED there. It is very hot. It has a rubber dongle in. Okay, let's get an LED. Let's see the orientation. Yes, it's okay. And the other direction is not okay. The light intensity might be lower. This might not be as bright as the other one, but the consumption should be much lower. This has a cut on the top and the bottom. Insert these two side elements there, that and that. And rotate it 90 degrees. That's it. And just push it in. Lower consumption. Let's try it on the driver's side also. This tool is not the best. There's a slight cut there, by the way. See that one? Ouch, that's hot. So if it's opened and the light is on, push it in manually and it will go out. Okay, while that one is a lamp, the rear door, that's not a lamp. That has no bulb in it and it's only reflecting the light. That has a bulb in it. So here we have a little cut. Insert the screwdriver there. Surprise, it has no bulb in it. So this one is only reflecting the light.